Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious beet salad, okay? It's very easy and simple. And then especially Easter's around the corner, it's perfect time for it, okay? You can just go ahead and then give it a try and then I'm sure you're gonna love it too, okay? So let me show you guys what I have for you. As you can see, my beets already cooked, okay, and then my potatoes, and I have carrots, okay, what I'm going to do, and also I have all my vegetables I'm going to use for my beets, okay, and here I have fresh parsley and some hot pepper. You gotta have some hot pepper too, okay, and I have my mayonnaise, okay, I'm going to use also. Okay, now what I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to start chopping up my vegetables. Okay, you see guys, I'm using a gloves because once you start, you touch the beets, okay, you don't want your hand to start getting red, okay, that's the reason why I'm using and you have to be careful guys with your knife. It's just me doing that, okay. Okay, I'm going to just start like that. Okay, and my potatoes. Okay, and I have to cut them little small pieces guys. Like I said guys, you have to be careful because once you're using your knife, you really have to be careful how you're cutting them stuff. Okay, okay, I think it's good enough to use my matcher. Okay, now I'm using my masher guys. Okay, okay, that's what you have to do guys. I'm going to finish that up guys, and when we come back we'll finish up everything else. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now let's finish up. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding my veggies. Okay, onion. You have to be careful guys not to put water in your salad. Okay, and peppers. Okay, you see all that water guys left, so you have to be careful. And now I'm adding my fresh parsley, okay, my hot pepper, okay, and some onion powder guys, okay, my ginger powder, love that, okay, and black pepper, okay. Now I'm going to add my mayonnaise, okay, not too much. All right guys, when we come back we'll finish off everything. Okay, we'll finish off everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, okay, some Maggi powder, not too much, okay. Now let me mix up everything. guys, I'm going to finish that up, and when we come back, I'll show you how everything comes out. Okay, come back. Okay guys, this is how everything looks so far. Okay, you see that? And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it a taste. Okay, everything is perfect. Okay, what I'm going to do next, when we come back, I'm going to put it in this plate. Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing next. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys what I started doing. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, you see, I start with my parsley. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to finish it up. Okay, here, and then one here. Okay, okay guys, that's it. You see that? Okay, very easy and simple, guys. Okay, give it a try. All right, and let me know how everything comes out. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.